Hello everyone! Hello everyone! And welcome again to another video, still with me, teacher Dyan. So for today, we are going to learn about indefinite pronouns. Do you have any idea what are those? We all know that pronouns are words that we use to change the noun in the sentence. There are several kinds of pronouns, but today, we are just going to talk about indefinite.
Indefinite pronouns does not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. In simple words, they are not specific in which noun they replace.
There are lots of examples of indefinite pronouns, but we're just going to talk about the simple ones and the most common. So here, I have here someone and somebody. So for someone and somebody, we use it in a passive sentence. So it is a simple statement, not in a question form. We also use somebody and someone in making offers or requests.
So for our first example, we have, there's someone at the office. So I use someone here because the sentence is a simple statement which is in a passive form. Now for our second example, we have, can you send someone to help me? So I use someone again here because our sentence is in the form of question. And it is making a request, meaning you are asking for some help. And for the last example, we have, would you like to talk to somebody? So, I use somebody here because the sentence is in a question form again, but it is making an offer.
For now, let's move on to another indefinite pronoun, which is the anybody and the anyone. So, in somebody and someone, we use it in a passive sentence, while in anybody and anyone, we use it in a negative sentence. So that is the opposite, right? So when we say negative sentence, it should have the word not. Okay, remember that one. And another thing, we also use anybody and anyone if we're going to ask some information or we want to know some information. Okay?
So for our first example, we have, I don't think anyone is in the office. So as you can see, it ends with a full stop. And this statement is in the form of negative because of the word don't, which is the contraction of the word do not, which is why we use anyone in this sentence. For the next example, we have, has anybody seen my keys? So this statement is in the form of question, and we use anybody because it is a kind of statement which is looking for some kind of information.
The last one that we are going to talk about is the everybody and everyone. So this follows a different rule from someone and anyone. We use everyone and everybody to refer to all people related in a situation or a group. So it could be a city, a class, a team, or every person in an office. So it just depends on the group or the situation.
So let's take a look at some examples. First, everyone in our class graduated. Here, everyone refers to all the students in that particular class. As I've said, everyone and everybody refer to all people related to a situation or a group. Therefore, the group that we are talking about in this situation is the class. Another example, it was great to see everybody at the reunion. So here, everybody refers again to all the people. And the group in this situation is the reunion, because it could be a family reunion or a class reunion.
help you to understand between the difference of three indefinite pronouns, which are the everybody and everyone, somebody and someone, anyone and anybody. So I'll see you again on our next video.